So welcome everyone to our video newsletter. We haven't had one like this for a little while, but we decided it was a good moment to return to the old format. Kimerie's been holding the fort over the months, giving a solo performance each month, which we've all been really enjoying. But we thought we'd give it a try and give the latest news on all that's happening in Unity. But one of the things that's occurred to me recently is we've moved out of COVID, and of course during COVID we did all sorts of things for the first time, experimented like everyone was around the country and around the world, and of course we started using Zoom, and so many things have flowed out of that. The Daily Word service, the noon service, every day, all now online, and also lots of weekly activities on the education side. Do you want to just sort of round up all that's happening now on that online side of things?
Well, how long have we got? Half an hour, Steve? There's so much that's going on. But really, yes, as Steve said, the Daily Word and the midday meditations, yes. But education in Unity, yes. Retreats we've done online, yes. Well, it really has been our desire to connect with everybody online and find ways to support ourselves as much as everybody else. And the online work has really and truly done that. And it has helped us connect with more people, which has been a real gift for me as much as I hope for everybody else.
Absolutely, and the numbers are rising, which is very exciting, and people from all over the country and indeed beyond the country, some people from overseas. So it really is quite an exciting thing. But some things, of course, don't change, and one of the things that doesn't change is our World Day of Prayer, which is a very traditional Unity event, and we will be, of course, running it online this year. But the heart of it is very traditional, isn't it?
It is. The prayer is the heart of all that we do in Unity. It's where we started over 120, 130 years ago, and we've really found that prayer changes us. And as prayer changes us, our lives change, our bodies respond, our environment around us is less stressful, and we can engage with a more fulfilled life. So yes, absolutely, prayer is the key. Prayer and silence really are the key to connecting with that power that's within us and around us.
And of course, with all that's going on around the world and all the challenges that everyone faces, prayer is the one thing we can do straight away, and prayer works. We know that.
Yes.
Unity was and is called practical Christianity. There's a very practical aspect to Unity, and we know that prayer works. It changes our lives. It may not change it in the way that we might imagine, but it changes it.
Yes, definitely. And as you say, the World Day of Prayer is a chance for so many of us to engage with that process by sending in names, and you can do all of that through our website. And also taking your own time to sit quietly in prayer and connect in your own space, in your own silence and in the stillness with the presence that is God, at work in and through and around us.
Wonderful. Okay, well, that I think is it. Thank you so much for watching, and we look forward to seeing you again in a month's time.
And there'll be more information about the World Day of Prayer for our September blog as well, because it's in the month of September that we actually connect in this powerful way. So there'll be much more information then, and you can find loads of information on our website.
Wonderful.
Thanks, Steve.
Thank you.